Hello my friends, hope you all are fine and doing well. In this video, we tell you about the lifestyle of most famous person, Colleen Hoover. So let's get started without wasting your any time. Her full name is Colleen Hoover. Nickname is Colleen. Well known as creator. She was born on 11th of December 1979. The famous novelist as profession. Present age is 41 years old. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Birthplace is Sulphur Spring, Texas. She is an American by nationality. Ethnicity combined. Eye color is blue. Current place USA. Hair color blonde. Height is 5 feet 9 inches. And weight is 70 kg. Colleen Hoover family and relative. Mother name is Vano Fight. Marital status is married. And husband name is William Heath Hoover. Let we know about her famous books. Number 1, Never Never. Second one's Maybe Now. And the other is It Starts With Us. She has 2 million followers on her Instagram account. Colleen Hoover Trivira. Colleen graduated from Saltillo High School in 1998. Colleen wrote a number of books including Hopeless and It Ends With Us. And her net worth is $6 million approximately. So my friends, thanks for watching this video. Or what's your personal opinion about Colleen Hoover lifestyle? Tell me in your comment box, or if you want more this type of videos or celebrity news. So don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay blessed and all the best.